Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Waze app. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Waze and you will go here to this window. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.